A very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you globe latitude and longitude. Our subject is geography. Now, my first question is, what is globe? In a simple language, I should say that globe is a model of Earth. Okay, a globe is a spherical model of Earth, of some other celestial body or of the celestial sphere. Globe serve purpose similar to some maps, but unlike maps, do not distort the surface that they portray, expect to scale it down. Further, I will explain you it is a slightly flatted at the north and the south poles and bulb in middle. Can you imagine how it look? Now let me show you picture of globe. Student, you can see the picture of globe and you can observe north pole as well as south pole. Upside is north pole, downside is south pole, right? And you can also see the line which divided earth, and that line is called equator. Now come to our main topic, globes. Globes may be variety in size and type. Big ones which cannot be carried easily, small pocket globe, and globe like balloons which can be inflated and are handy and carried with ease. The globe is not fixed. It can be rotated the same way as top spin or a potter's wheel is rotated. On the globe, countries, continent and oceans are shown in their correct size. As you can see the different countries, continent as well as ocean. Now blue color on that globe depict of water bodies. It is difficult to describe the location of point on sphere like the earth. Now the question arises as to how to locate place on it. We need a certain points of reference and lines to find out the location of places. Now what are those lines? Can you imagine? Those lines are longitude and latitude. Now let me discuss longitude. Longitude is a way to say where a place is on the earth. It is measured starting from an imaginary north-south line called the prime meridian. A meridian is an imaginary line drawn from the north pole to the south pole. Longitude is measured using a degrees, the same way an angle. Now student, these longitude lines are imaginary line to locate a particular country, place or continent, right? So this longitude line is used to locate place. Now you can observe line of longitude in this picture. You also can observe prime meridian. It is drawn in a red line, right? So let me tell you facts about lines of longitude. Lines of longitude are known as meridians. Line of longitude run in a north south direction, right? It is run in north south direction, right? Because longitude are a standing line. Okay, longitude are a farthest apart at the equator and meet at the pole, right? Which pole? South pole as well as north pole. Longitude crosses the equator at right angles. Longitude lies in a plane that passes through Earth's axis. Longitude are equal in length and longitude are halves of the great circle. Right? So this is all about longitude. Now, what is latitude? Latitude is an angle defined below which ranges from 0 at the equator to the 90 north or south at the poles. Lines of the constant latitude or a parallel run east-west as a circle parallel to the equator. Now these are a parallel line which cannot meet at a single point. This is called parallel line. Students, you can see the latitude line in this picture, right? You can also see the equator line, okay, which divided Earth in a equally divided the Earth. But remember, this longitude, latitude and equator, these all are imaginary line to locate the places. Now facts about the lines of latitude. Latitude are known as a parallels. As I already tell you, parallels line cannot meet at a single point. For example, line of railway. Railway line cannot meet at a single point. That two different line of railway cannot meet at a single point. So these railway line also known as a parallel line that run in east-west direction, right? Measured distance north or south from the equator. Latitudes are parallel to one another and never meet, as I already explained you. Lines of latitude cross the prime meridian at a right angle. They lie in a planes that cross the Earth's axis at a right angle. They get shorter toward the poles. You can see in the picture that these lines become a shorter. Whenever you go upside, whenever you observe upside line, they are getting a short. Okay, the longest, the equator, the longest, a great circle. Now uses of globe. The measuring of a globe is the model of Earth. It used to locate place, sea route, air route, etc. We can locate continent, countries, ocean, river, cities, as I already explained you in the beginning of my class, right? Same thing, equator, longitude, latitude. This imaginary line helps us to locate places. They give you an accurate location of the place. Student, this is all for globe, latitude and longitude. In a further class, we are going to talk about other topic in detail. Thank you very much.